Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to disable online speech recognition option in Windows 11. So click on Start, Settings. Here click on Accessibility. Now in this list you have to find out speech. Now turn off voice access, and here the option Windows speech recognition. Windows speech recognition, just select to off. If you see this option is on, so make it off. And also guys, you can use shortcut by pressing Ctrl plus S, by pressing Windows plus Ctrl plus S to turn speech recognition on or off. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more useful videos.